How do you get in the system? You have an employer sponsor you. You have a family member sponsor you. That could be a brother or a sister, a father or a mother, a child over the age of 21, or a spouse who is a permanent resident or a U.S. citizen. Your employer can be somebody you work for or somebody who promises to hire you in a job when you get a green card.
How long would it take for the employer to do it? How long would it take to get the green card?
Well, this is the point I'm trying to make before. Okay? If you're out of status now and you're not grandfathered under 245I, let's assume you never filed anything in your life for your green card before, correct?
No.
Okay. And you're out of status right now, right?
Yes.
Okay. So by your employer sponsoring you in a job, okay, you're going to get an approved labor certification. You're going to get an approved visa petition. And it's if it's a skilled position, it's about a 4-year wait for a green card right now. At the end of the 4 years, the law says you can't get your green card here, and if you go home, you can't come back for 10 years. So you unless the law changes, you are not going to get a green card. Okay? And that's what I think where this lady misunderstood me yesterday and where you're asking me a question, just because I get my name in the system, how long will it take for me to get a green card? The answer is, unless you're qualified under 245I, which you may or may not be until I meet with you, I can't be 100% sure, or unless you are in legal status, or you obviously marry an American citizen or something to that effect, by putting your name in the system, you're getting on a waiting list for a green card, but you can't finish your case because the law doesn't allow it. That's what we're waiting for the law to pass. When the law passes, okay, let's say there's 20 million people illegal in the United States right now. They can't give 20 million people a green card all at once. Okay? If you say, hypothetically, on top of all the work that the Immigration Service can do right now, they can do another 1 million green cards a year. Somebody's going to wait 20 years for a green card.
Yeah.
So the bottom line is, how are they going to choose who goes first and who goes last? It's my opinion
they would pick the ones
that
who
they're
are
going to
already
pick
in
the ones
system.
who are already in the system. That's why I'm saying get sponsored. But if the law's never changed in the history of mankind, the answer to your question is you will never get a green card. You're gambling.
Right.
Okay? If the laws do change, okay, you're going to come in and you're going to be really happy that I had you do what I had you do.
Okay, wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Brad Bernstein, immigration attorney of the law offices of Spar Bernstein. Any and everyone that's out there that, of course, is out of status, I think you should actually give the law offices a call. And one thing I like about your CSR, customer service reps,
right,
they screen the calls and they speak with people and let them know if it makes sense for them to even come in.
Right.
And that's a good thing. Thank you so much, Mr. Bernstein.